Hello boys and girls, how are you? Fine, excellent. Today we are going to see healthy and unhealthy food. Here we go. We have healthy food. You already know the names of the healthy food. We have milk, bananas, tomatoes, bread, cheese, apple, and some grapes. Okay? And the unhealthy food we have hamburger, fries, and soda. It makes you feel sad, tired, okay, and sick. In the unhealthy food we have French fries, cupcake, hot dog, soda. Okay, now if you see the difference between healthy and unhealthy food, you shouldn't eat unhealthy food. Okay? You should eat healthy food. Okay? What do you prefer? Be healthy or unhealthy? Feeling sick. I think that you prefer to be healthy and you are going to take the better choice. That is eating healthy food. Okay, and remember, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye-bye.